Today, on the occasion of the World Youth Skills Day 2021, I would just like to share a few pointers as to what happened. Actually, on this occasion, I would like to share with each one of you is to the amount of problems that the youth faced. Having education, not finding the right type of employment. The pandemic has taught us a lot. The pandemic has put us through a situation where we were forced to think of what are the type of courses that are required and where the deficiency lied in trying to create the right type of courses and the right type of opportunities for the youth to take up. Pandemic has taught us a lot, as a result of which reimagining the youth skills and the post-pandemic scenario has totally changed the thought process in the skilling world. Today we need to create the type of skills that we are able to put the youth on their feet and take them forward. In 2015, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji basically started the Skill India mission. Actually, it's our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji which understood that where one has to concentrate and how one has to concentrate on the skilling and how Skill India would help in transforming the whole country, and how we will be able to be in a position to create exportable commodities in terms of the youth, creating jobs not for them only in their periphery or their vicinity or their respective states, but creating jobs for them so that they could travel globally and find jobs based on the education and skilling and upskilling that has been proposed. Today, with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, we have been in a position, and now we have revisited as to what are the type of courses that are required. The pandemic has taught us a lot, and hence we have to revisit and create that type of job opportunities that can help in upskilling these youth and creating job opportunities for them globally. Today we find that even in Australia they had brought about post the typhoid in 1910 the TVET courses. Similarly, in the state and in the country, today we have gone in for digitization, online admissions, and apart from online admissions, online counseling, so that we are able to ensure that the youth take up the right type of courses which their aptitude suggests. It is very important for us to look at all these things in a different perspective. Today, Goa is the 4th largest pharma hub. We have to try to create courses so that an upskilling of the youth, so that the youth are able to take up these courses. The pharma industry doesn't have to look for people outside the state of Goa, but they can create job opportunities and employ youth from within the state of Goa. It is very important for us to think out of the box. We have tied up with CII so that we get more inputs and the right type of courses are put forward so that our youth benefit from the type of decisions the state government takes in line with the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I also would like to share that we have also tied up with Siemens through their German partners, and we have taken them on board as knowledge partners so that we are in a better position to create new type of courses, take them on board as knowledge partners so that we are able to give that type of education to the youth, that type of exposure to youth, so that we are able to skill the youth in a totally different way. It is very important that Goa today is pitching for the International Institute of Skilling for the state of Goa. We have taken it up with the central government so that we are able to have an International Skilling Institute in the state of Goa, so that we are able to create that type of skilling environment, so that the industries that come to Goa, industries get attracted to Goa because Goa has that type of skilled manpower within the state of Goa. Today we are also carrying out several courses along with under PMKY, the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Yojana, and also through the tie-up with NSTC. It is very important for us to have that type of courses and also tie up with different type of companies, large companies like Procter & Gamble, Siemens, and several other large organizations, so that we have exchange programs, not only about on-floor training, but also we can exchange programs between the students internationally, so that global exposure and exposure outside the state could be given to the students, so that they are able to experience a different working environment. On the occasion of today, on the occasion of the World Youth Skills Day 2021, I would like to make a pledge, and I would like to also salute the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister for putting so much of stress on skilling, so that we are able to create a different type of world, different type of environment for the youth. And skilling is the only way forward if we want to actually transform our state, transform our country, and create a different type of environment for the youth and a different type of ecosystem which will benefit them in a very big way. Thank you.